Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I am so excited. I'm just about to buy 2,000 coins in NBA 2K mobile to buy 3 packs that I've been wanting to buy for so long. I'm so excited to do a pack opening and hopefully get something absolutely insane. So I've just got my coins and now we're going to go into the pack opening. Into the store. These are all the packs, but these 3 are what I'm most interested in. 850 coins, 1,300 coins, and the next one will be completely free. So first one, Clutch Prime. We've got Kevin Durant with a decent percentage chance. All of them I'll be happy to get. My team's literally gold at the moment, so this will be insane just to get any. And I'll be so happy. But it's not going to be easy. There's a lot of cards there that I have a chance of me getting, but hopefully the Kevin Durant's the one that I pick out. So here we go. Here we go, the Clutch Prime pack. I'm going to open it. No way! No way! No. Oh my goodness. Kevin Durant straight up. 1,400 power. No way. That's in the first pack. What can I get now in the second pack? Well, I'm just going to go and put him in my team. I'll replace him for Jimmy Butler. I'm just going to check for Jimmy Butler. Bye bye Jimmy Butler. Done well with my team, very well. But Kevin Durant, there's no stopping me of putting him in there. That's improved my team a lot. See, like I told you, I still got a silver in my team. So this is helping a lot. So now we'll go with the 1,300 pack. Percentage is good, like higher in the middle. We've got 11% for a couple cards. The best card here is a 10, will be 10%. So 1,300 coins I'll spend for this one. Hopefully get something good. Like, well, I can get Kevin Durant again, but yeah, hopefully I get someone better or not Kevin Durant because obviously don't want to. Who do we get? Oh, that's pretty good. I'm happy. They're all going to be insane for my team. So we'll go put him in my team, and the only pack I have left is the free pack. Now for the free pack. Hopefully Larry Bird will be a good one. Larry Bird will be a great one. I still can get Kevin Durant. Don't want him again. Larry Bird. That will be insane. I don't mind who I get, because obviously going to do good for my team, but I just don't want doubles at the moment. So, hopefully I can replace my silver. I don't mind if I have to replace anyone, really, because these cards are so much better than any card I've got. So last pack. This one's for free. What can we get? Okay. I'm not complaining. Still very good. But that's still pretty good. I'm going to put him in my team and we might play a game or a half Kevin Durant. Let's go train him up. Put everything in. All the bronzes, all the silvers. I've already max leveled him. 1,532 power. Yes. Now we'll upgrade this guy. Hopefully we can get him to 1,000. That'll be pretty dope. We'll just use these guys, a gold. Now you know what, we'll just use Luca. Get rid of him. And get to 1,000. 1,004 power. This is actually insane. Kevin Durant. Here we go. Bye Jimmy Butler. Get him to 760 power. My team is so good. Just check if I can put any gear on them. I'll use a mentor. Steph Curry mentor plus 13 power, so pretty good. No gear, no mentors. I don't think I can put on them. And my new clutches. I'm pretty much only going to use them in my team now. 881 power in my team. That's pretty cool. Never actually thought I would get that high in season 4. Pretty insane. 4-4. I played horrible in the first half. So another steal to start was pretty good. And a straight up dunk. Get to Kevin Durant. Oh, the timing was horrible, I'll admit. Get back to Kevin Durant. That timing was better. Damn. Oh, Kevin Durant. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy. I'm so pumped. I just got Kevin Durant clutch card, which is, to me, absolutely insane. So I'll be using him a lot. And make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.